Hey guys, before I go to the gym, I just want to stop in and show you these two spiral lock ponytail holders that was sent to me. I have 30-inch locks and sometimes they can get super long and can get a tad hot. With these holders, I'm going to show you 3 different styles that you can use with this awesome brand. As I'm undoing the ponytail holder, you can see how long and like how bendable it is, and I'm just going to do a simple ponytail and just tuck in the ends behind my hair. Not to say that they're different, I just didn't want them to show, but it's perfect. Literally locks in the hair, don't have to worry about any moving. With the second style, I'm just going to do an all updo with the black spiral lock. I'm going to take it, bring all my hair forward, and then bend it around my hair. Again, tuck in the ends, and then throw my hair back, and then bam, you have a perfect updo. I love the fact that it's completely stylish, and it keeps all the hair off my neck on those hot summer days. To add some fun to this hairstyle, we're going to use the green spiral lock ponytail holder. I love the pretty shade and the little pattern it has on it. And with it, I'm just going to do the top of my hair and just let the rest of my hair just kind of hang down. But I like the fact that it just doesn't move. Like, how many times do we get things that really aren't dependable? Not this product. No worries here. Unlike some products, I like this one because the material is thick. It's not easy to lose, and on top of it, if I'm going anywhere, I can turn it into like a little wristband type of thing and keep it on me. And I am ready for the gym. I rate this product literally 10 out of 10, how dependable and how easy it is to use. I love convenience, and this is giving convenience. They have a variety of colors and they will not let you down.